Hey guys, just wanted to go through quickly building a clutch stack when you've got a multi-plate clutch and just things to watch out for and what you're going to do. So the first sort of step you're going to be doing is you're going to get these blocks and they're going to be torqued onto the flywheel. I won't do it because this is all packaged up ready for a customer, so I don't want to disturb that too much. So when you get your plates though, you're going to have a flywheel side, and most of the time it's going to have markings on that. So I'll say flywheel side, and then this one doesn't because this is your first plate. So I'll put that down, so that will end up being face down on the flywheel. Then you got your center plate. This has the springs on there, which makes it quieter. You've got to knock out these foam blocks, which are just there for transportation, just to avoid any damage. So that would all then go in like that. Then your next plate, you're going to have no marking for flywheel side, but this one's going to give you a pressure plate side. So that would then go onto your stack. That. Followed off by a top shim. Make sure the rim here will always go up. Then you'll end up with your cover on top. Then you'll torque it all down and you'll be good to go.